In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom out inside the editor in WordPress. This is a handy trick to know, especially if you're someone who spends a great deal of time working on their website and wants a broader view of the content being developed. To begin, you'll want to open your internet browser and head over to wordpress.com. This is the starting point for managing your WordPress site. So open up the home page. Once you're on the site, the first thing you need to do is log in. Look for the login button, usually found at the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and click on it. After clicking login, you'll be directed to a page where you can choose how you'd like to log into your account. For convenience, select the option to continue with Google. This is a fast and secure method to gain access without needing to manually enter passwords every time. You will be redirected to a page where you can choose your Google account. Make sure to select the account linked to your WordPress site to continue. Once logged in, your dashboard will appear on the screen. On the right panel, under Quick Links, find the option labelled Edit Site. Click on it. This will lead you into the editing interface of your WordPress website, where all the magic happens. Inside the WordPress editor, you should see the list of your websites. Select the specific website you want to work on by clicking on it. Now you're right inside the editing section where all changes and customizations to your site take place. Now here's where the main task of today comes into play: zooming out. Locate the zoom out button. This is typically positioned at the top right corner of the editor interface. Clicking zoom out will modify the viewing scale of the editor, letting you see a larger portion of your content layout at once. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you can now effectively zoom out in the WordPress editor, which can greatly enhance your ability to manage the design and content of your website more efficiently. Remember, this approach can be particularly beneficial when dealing with complex layouts, as it provides a more comprehensive view of the site's overall appearance. If you encounter any issues during this process, ensure your browser is updated to the latest version, as sometimes older browsers might not support all the features of WordPress efficiently. I hope this guide has provided you with all the information you need to tackle your projects with a bit more ease and clarity. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.